Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Taboo token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy the Taboo token right on your phones. And just before we get started here, I'm just going to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all you have to do now is just go ahead and open up Trust Wallet. And once we're in Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you know as well, I'm not going to show you guys how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video here. I'll have separate tutorials for those, and those will be linked in the description as well as in the comment section if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things. But I'm going to already assume you have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet, and it's in your Smart Chain wallet. So if you guys have your BNB just in your normal BNB wallet right here, you just want to make sure you click on it. Click on more and then swap it to your Smart Chain wallet, because if it's not in your Smart Chain wallet, it's not going to show you the coin and it will not let you transfer it on PancakeSwap. So that's very important. Anyhow, all we have to do now is just head over to CoinMarketCap, and I'll have a link in the description for that as well. Then we're just going to copy the contract address from there. So if we just go over to CoinMarketCap right here, we can just copy this little address right here and then head back over to Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet here, we just want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. Then just go to the search and paste in the contract address. Then we can see the Taboo token right here, so we can just enable the token and then click on done. Once we've added the token to our Trust Wallet, so we can now head over to PancakeSwap. So I'll have a link in the description for PancakeSwap as well. So you guys just head over there and then I'll show you what to do next. And once you guys are on PancakeSwap here, all we have to do is go to the top right of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once we are on the Connect Wallet button here, we can just click on Wallet Connect. And then right here, it's going to ask us what wallet we want to connect to. So you guys can use MetaMask, you guys can use Rainbow, it doesn't really matter. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So I'm going to click on Trust Wallet. Then it's going to open up in our Trust Wallet here, and it's going to say it needs to connect. So we just give this a couple seconds here to connect. And then you guys will get this screen here saying to connect to your PancakeSwap. So we can just go ahead and click on connect, then head back over to PancakeSwap. And we'll know our wallet's connected on PancakeSwap when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right where it shows the balance right here. Now, for whatever reason, if you don't see your balance here, it's just because you don't have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet. So just go make sure you have that in your Smart Chain wallet if your balance isn't showing up. Anyhow, all we have to do now is click on select a currency and paste that same contract address in here. Once that's done here, you'll see the Taboo token. So we can go ahead and click on import, I understand, and import. Now, all we have to do before we put in the amount of BNB that we want to transfer is we have to change our slippage tolerance. So if we just go to this little settings gear right here and click on that, we have to change this to 12%, and then we can exit out. Once we have that done, we just have to decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the Taboo token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 1 BNB. I can go put that in, and then it will show me the amount of the Taboo token I'll get in exchange for my BNB. Now, if you guys are okay with this exchange here, you can just click on the swap button right where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. And then it'll show you another display on the next page, and it will show you like a broken down version of your transaction, so your fees and your withdrawal rates and things like that. So if you guys are confident and comfortable with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. Then it should give you a successful transaction notice, and we can head back into our Trust Wallet. And then usually within a couple minutes, the token should arrive here without any issues. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Taboo token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.